Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sushmita Elisetla. If you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel after watching my whole video. And comment down here, so share your opinions with me and welcome to my family. So today I'm going to discuss about the very hot topic that we IT students are really fighting for them. Yes, how? You can ask me how. Because there is a lots and lots of news in newspapers and articles and everywhere that's saying that people like who wrote the examination are facing a lot of problems in this following process. So most of the students are fighting for themselves. Very good spirit, guys, because you have to stand for yourself. In these times, you have to stand for yourselves so that only you can achieve the thing that you wanted in your life. So what is actually happened is most of the students have server problems while writing the exam. So that VIT people have considered these students as malpractice, and they have like no reason, like they did not even allow these students to explain their actual reason that they have faced while writing the examination. So very sad, right? Yes. So students did not stop. So most of the students took this to media and everything, like some of the popular YouTube channels have made a video on this. So even that videos are going to help the students. So I think that even my video is also going to help some of the students, because yes guys, you need to be very strong at these times. See, you have paid your money, that means you have wasted your money, and because of this online examination, most of the students have arranged laptops and they went to different places for that proper internet connection. They struggled themselves by preparing for the examination, by setting all other things. But at end, what did they receive? They have received that some kind of stamp on their face, malpractice, or due to some technical issues, or due to some network issues. What all this, guys? Please don't let someone to destroy yourself by posting those kind of names on your head. So please go talk to the faculty. I know like most of the guys, you subscribers, are telling me that Akka, what should I do? Like they are not responding to our mails. We have paid some amount, but they have given me a tag like you have done malpractice, or you have done something because of technical issues, or for something so-called reasons they are telling, and they are not even allowing me for the counseling process. So guys, what is the big news is, like, what at last what I want to tell you is, so today morning we got an article saying that WIT EEE has completed successfully examinations like May 28th, 29th and 30. It has completed the examinations successfully. So it doesn't mean that successfully means what? Successfully means that all the students are like ha khush hai. Ye baat nahi hai. They are not happy. They just said that 100% successful means college have 100% happy that they got their registration fee, they got everything they want. So they are happy for that, but the students are not at all, because students have got some very bad things by writing those examinations. So guys, these people are going to conduct re-examination. Like those people are going to conduct you some examination. Like what is my request is, those people need to conduct some examination, at least for those people who really faced some technical errors. Myself, like take me as an example. My brother have faced some technical issues while writing an exam, and what is the worst thing is, they have given one count for each and every question, like 40 to 40 seconds something like they have given. So how come you think that okay, we received a technical error for 2 minutes at least, so that let me skip some questions which I don't know. I'll think that okay, I did not prepare this area, no, so I can skip the questions and write another thing. But no, they did not give us that option. Without writing this question, you can't go, you can skip to another question. What kind of rule is this? So that most of the students faced a lot of time issues too. So most of the students failed to write exam because of this exam. Most of the students ruined their examination. So this is like actually they wasted their money and they wasted everything. So we request, so you guys need to request them or do something for yourself. Ask them to reconduct the exam, or give away your refund, give away, ask them to refund your amount, like registration amount. So this is my thing that I want to tell you. Actually, when I saw this thing. And most of the students, my subscribers have writing me mails or some comments for my Instagram, so writing some text on my Instagram. I felt really bad for them, because no one should face this, guys. When you have prepared well, when you have set it everything, like, this is very important to one individual. Like, how many hopes did he kept or did she kept on writing that examination? So hopefully management respond to this students thing. Most of the students are protesting against them, so hopefully everything will be fine. And all the students, I mean, like, the students who faced these technical errors or some network issues, they, at least for them, please conduct at least for them. So that's it for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching.